Ready to turn your quote into an actual shipment? In this video, we'll show you how to quickly generate bookings for your orders. Let's get started. Once you have your order, click the Quote button under Actions, then click Get a Quote, and the system will quickly generate a quote for your shipment. Once your quote is ready, take a moment to review all the details before proceeding. When you've chosen the right option, simply click Book Now and confirmed all the information. You're now ready to book and generate your shipment. The system will instantly process your request and confirm your booking. Once your shipment has been successfully booked, it will automatically appear in your shipments. Simply click Shipments, and you'll see the shipment you just booked. A tracking number will also be automatically generated, which you can find here. By clicking this, you can also view your tracking status here. Clicking this icon will also show your shipment details. To access your shipping labels, simply click this icon. This will take you to your printable labels page. That's it. You're all set. You can now download and print your labels, attach them to your parcel, and your shipment is ready to go. It's fast, simple, and designed to keep your operations running smoothly, from quote to booking. That's the iSend advantage. Start booking smarter, save time, and keep your shipments moving without delays. Book now at isend.com.au.